funny cat. And see, I made a dog. I'm gonna show you how to make a dog with the long Rubik's Cube. It's easy peasy, lemon squeezy, and it's easy to make. Follow my steps. Then you can make a perfect dog. You can learn, you can do anything. Okay? You can see my videos. Okay? Now let's start. Follow my steps, okay? Now let's start. Just count here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and like twist. No, like wait. You want to count again? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Now flip. Now, see, you got it. Now, just leave this part, and twist. See, now you make a perfect thing like this. It looks like, yeah. Now, let's go back to our steps. Let's go to our dog we made. Yeah, like this. And then count 3 things, like 1, 2, 3, and no, wait, you're counting wrong. 1 and 2 and 3. Okay? Now just flip. See, it's easy. Now just count like 1, 2, 3, then flip. See? Now count like this, like 1, 2. See? Now you make it like this. Now just count like 1 and flip. See, you made it. Good job. Now you count on 1, 2. Next, see, you did it. Good job. Now count only 1, 2, and flip. Next, do you want to count with me? Okay, sure. Just count like 1 and flip. It's perfect. Next, you only need to not count, but you can turn it. A perfect dog. It's perfect to make. It's easy peasy. You can share off your videos with me. You want to subscribe. Okay? Bye. And I love you. I miss you guys.